AI has changed a lot of lives, and it's not a joke. And that is the next level. I always told you that there was a time when we had computers and we started having the internet. We started using AI in 2022. This is 2026. This is 4 years later. And now you have not joined in. AI is changing a lot of lives, and you have to join in now. I want to show you something very interesting. Something that if you were not told, you would not know such things exist. With everything we are doing, there are some things you need to do that are affirmations to help you achieve what you really want to achieve. You just don't walk alone. You have to believe in what you are doing. And AI can do that for you. Of course, we've heard people tell us about how AI hallucinates and it makes people do what they don't want to do. In this case, I am going to shift that power from the negative to the positive for you. What do I want to do today? I'm going to use just 2 AI apps. Do you know Google is AI too now? Yes, it is. So I'm going to use Google and I'm going to use ChatGPT. What I'm going to do is interesting. Of course, I've done something like this for you to make money, do pictures, do photo shoots, take proposed images and the clothes they want to use for their photo shoots. Take pictures of it, combine it together in any environment you want. Is it the beach? Anywhere you want it and make it work. I've done that one. This will really help your mental awareness to get to wherever you are going to in life more quickly. AI can do so many things. What I want to do today is I want to create a vision board for you with AI. Things that you can use and see every day and make affirmations to make you get to wherever you are going quickly. Maybe you are thinking of having the golden button of YouTube or the silver button or whatever, or you are thinking of getting married. You can choose the kind of husband you want, someone that looks the way you want, put a suit on him, put a wedding dress on yourself, and put it in your room. You print it out with ChatGPT, you put it in your room, and you enjoy it. You can put yourself in the kind of car, which is your dream car, print it out, and add it to your room. You can keep it as a wallpaper on your desktop, on the desktop of your computer or your phone. These things are very powerful. I showed it to someone sometimes ago. I just told him, you can do this, you can do this. And the person did it. And the person inspired what I'm doing today. He came back to me and told me that, do you know that I put that thing on my system? And in some few weeks, what I've been trying to do was quickened and I was able to achieve it. Let's get into it. I want you to see how it works exactly. Number 1, like I said, we are using 2 apps. Number 1, Google. Number 2, ChatGPT. The reason why we are using Google is I want to pick samples of exactly what you would want. So I'm going to do an experiment here. I'll go to Google. I'm in Google already. Okay, let's just give it what we want. A young man standing beside a luxurious car. Maybach. And enter. And now it's giving us this. But to make it easy, because it is images we want, you just click on images. Now it's giving us tons of it. See? This is done already. What we want to do is done already, because see how much things he just gave us. I can pick anyone I want. It will be something else. We would have some few examples actually. Okay, I think I like this one. Let's pick this one and let's save image. Okay, the image is saved in my download. Now let's go to ChatGPT. Now, if you have watched my video closely, I have prompt upon prompt that I give to you, but I make sure that the prompt I'm giving to you, they are not prompts that will make things look very difficult for you. I did prompt engineering in Vanderbilt University in the US. And if I give you a stack of prompts, you'll be shocked. But I want everybody to use AI. So I create prompts like discussions with AI that everybody can use. Such is what I'm going to do now. Now let's add the photo, the image we just picked. This is the image. Open. Okay. I can use my picture. I didn't want to use my picture because I don't want you to feel like maybe it's my picture that made it work. We can use anybody's picture. Now I'll add my picture. Let's see Do I have? Okay. I have one here. This is good. Open. Now, just talk to it as if you are talking to someone you are giving instruction, maybe your secretary or someone working for you. There's no prompt like, give us the stack of prompts. No. Express, this is what you want to see in your future. Just close your eyes, look at it, and express what you want exactly. For me now, all I want to do is not a big deal. I'll just say, replace the image of the man with the car with, you see, I'm using with, I'm just speaking English that is not really serious, with my own picture attached. Make sure the face is similar. Of course, there's a good English to use for that. I can say maintain the resemblance and all of that, but let's just do it this way. Let's make it very easy, as if a 10-year-old or a 12-year-old is writing prompt, and you will see the result. I can give it a better prompt. I'll create prompt for like 3-5 minutes, bulky prompt, and give it to it. But I'm not doing that. I'm doing it very simply so that you can know you can use it too. Replace the image of the man with the car with my picture. Make sure my face is intact. Now, if you want to do it better, you have to tell it the kind of shoe you want. Maybe it's the suit that you are wearing in that picture, or the suit the man is wearing, or you have a particular color of suit you want to wear. You can do anything. But in this case, okay, for you to know that anything can change, make sure the suit I am wearing is same as the color of the car. The color of the car. I don't want to say make it red, make it blue. The car has a color, make it the way the car is. So now let's check it out. So ChatGPT is creating already, saying it's analyzing the image. So once it is analyzing the image, it brings it for you the way you want it. And it is just good to see yourself creating things like this. You really love it. Now, this is me. There's the picture I gave it. In fact, it made it a little bit different. There's the picture I gave it. See the shadow. So who will tell you this is not real? In your mind, when you see this every day, on your wallpaper, on your desktop, it makes you think of the things you want to achieve and start achieving it. Like I told you, it's whatever. I don't know what you want. Is it an office job in a place? Draw it, paint it. In some few years ago, we want to have something we call the vision board. But we can't, because combining those things will involve a very serious graphic artist. Now, I'm using the free version of ChatGPT to do all of this. It doesn't cost you anything. You can do yours. Let's do one more before I stop the video. You can do anything. Make sure you do something about it today, not tomorrow. Merely you see the video, work on it, do it. Just do it. Once you do it, you will love it. Do you want a beautiful store? You want to sell some things, you are selling cars, you are doing, just get a picture like that, describe it on Google. When you describe it on Google, Google will bring you the images. Just look at the images. Replace the face of the people with the faces you want. You want to do a family thing, that this is the way you want. You want to skydive. I can even do that now, but I love to do cars. Let me look for another one. Okay, let's add the second picture, the second example. Maybe whatever you want to do, but I love cars. So maybe mine is just about cars. Replace the lady sitting in the car with the man attached. Now, you can tell it some details. Blue, he is wearing a navy blue suit. He is wearing a light brown shoe. You can say, make sure the face is exactly what you use. Make sure the head balances with the body. If you are lazy, you can just use this. There's nothing serious here. So make note of this and just press send prompt. So let's wait for it. Before I show you what we have, this is really beautiful. Look at it. Nobody will deny this is me. See? This is so elegant. This is so nice. You can do this for yourself. You can do it for anything you want. And you can paste it in your room. You can put it on your system. We call it vision boards. It makes you see where you are going more clearly so that you can achieve it on time. Don't snooze on this one. This is easy. This is simple. This is straightforward. It's working for everybody. It has worked for me. Even when we didn't have AI, I will take pictures of the places I want to go. I'll paste it on my wall. I'll put it on my phone, and I'll get the cars I want to buy. It works. So you can use this. This can really change your life. That's changed a lot of people's lives. It can change yours too. So try it. Use AI. Go and build something for your dream. Thank you.